everyone. So today we're having yache, kututi, and bacha. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on those notifications. Let's get started. Ooh. Take the first bite.
Oh, me we are. Có bao nhiêu mà mới hẹn order xin mì mà.
Come eat rice with us, you guys, if you're hungry.
Thế là thế phát đồ quan nào hôn à.
If you're hungry, come eat with us. If you're hungry.
Thế là bao nhiêu lắm mà.
Nimela bene ha order bane. Cheers, David.
Có đa nó me we à. Ông mình đâm đà lắm, thế bây giờ mà mình mà. Thế bây giờ này bao nhiêu mà nó ông mình đâm đà lẽ.
Kututi.
Có số chứ.
Yache.
Nhà khé.
Bacha. Bacha.
Bỏ cho ok. Nó we à.
We could tell. We.
พอชิดที่เนาะพอชิดที่อยากให้เจาะบอเจาะเด้อฮอตดอกเนาะ
Take a bite.
Bên mình nghe ta cô là khôi nhập po kia này hay ôm lơ thật là ôm ra rồi cái cháu là và cái nhau po xịt
My mom cooking is good. So good. My favorite chef. David, do you like it? Tell them you like it. Because I like it. I like it the most. It's always so good.
I like the spicy noodle and this one.
I'm almost finished. I always see my mom eat this, and it's really good.
It's like fish, but it's like tastes good.
It is fish, it's just a little baby that is dry.
Draw fish.
Yeah. It's like very oily though. Very oily.
And hard.
It's like all the bones inside of it. Look at it. Hi guys, so today yada you put it on my Willie. Okay, so if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and share. And comment down below what do you want me and my brother to try next. Bye bye guys, see you in the next video.